Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we will study some questions. We'll solve some questions on noun case. I have already uploaded a separate video on the explanation of noun case under the playlist of nouns in English language. You can see using the link given in the description box. Now without any further ado or delay, let's get started. The question says that you have to identify the case of the underlined nouns in the following sentences. The first sentence is, Samira ran after her brother Adi and pulled him away from the railway track just in time. So you can closely observe, if you see the first noun Samira, that it is used as a subject of the verb. Whenever a noun is functioning as a subject of the verb, the case is supposed to be nominative. So this is nominative case because it is functioning as the subject of the verb ran. The other underlined noun is Adi. So Adi is a positive case because it is used as a parallel description. Her brother Adi. So her brother Adi, there are two, there are two different recognition to a single entity. So therefore that is therefore a positive case. The next sentence goes like this: the candidates' answer sheets were collected before they signed the attendance sheet. So candidates, okay, the sheet of the candidates. So therefore candidates is a possessive case because it is showing the ownership of a noun. Before they signed the attendance sheet, so the attendance sheet is objective, okay, it is objective case because it is functioning as the object of the verb signed, okay. Either an objective case can be used as the object for verb or preposition. The next question is third. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was the commander of the Indian National Army. So therefore here Subhash Chandra Bose is used as a parallel description for Netaji. So therefore that is a positive case. The next underlined noun is commander. So commander is here a subject complement because it is used after the linking verb was, okay. So that's why it is a subject complement. It is telling something about the subject. The next example is, they have grown smarter after the debacle of the previous project. So here I would like to explain you what is debacle. Debacle is a sudden failure that you face. So people must have grown smarter because they have failed in the previous attempt, then they'll come back with a better version of themselves. Just a context, okay. So debacle. So here debacle is what? Debacle is objective because it is used after the preposition, okay, object of the preposition. So it is used as the object of the preposition after. That's why it is an objective case. The next and the last example is, the director of the institute appointed him the principal. So appointed him the principal. So therefore this is an object complement because it is telling us something about the object, that is him is the object. Here it is telling something about that man, that he was appointed as the principal. So therefore principal is an objective case because it is used as a complement after the direct object of the verb, that is him, right? So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do share with your friends and family, and keep learning and keep growing. All the important links will be linked down in the description box. Until then, bye bye.